Hello everyone, sorry for the late for the video report and I explained what I did last week. In last week I um, did several things. The first one is I used the configuration file to store the parameters of the different virtual machines. So it means that the parameter is not showing in the virtual machine provisioner class. So um, it's stored in the resource folder is in the configuration file, and so when the class have called the initialize method, so it will get the different parameters of the virtual machine automatically. So this is the first step, and the second step I try to uh, detach the text executor and the test class file separately. So here I have the test executor jar file, which is run in the virtual machine part. So then I also have the different task class file. So because in the architecture we have the three parameters, and as you can see here, the workflow executor will have the three parameters from the planner. The first one is global scheduler, and the second one is the task lib direct dir. So as you can see here, I have these two parameters, but I didn't include the workflow libdir because it's not necessary right now. So as you can see here, I extend the path of the task libdir, which is all the class files of the different tasks. So then I also add some log information in the client part and the server part. So I use the debugger class, which is very useful if you have some error information in running the workflow, and you can get the values of different variables, and you can have the exception. But I want to mention that I add one method which is log information, so that only have one parameters. So in this case, you can just customize your output information. And so in this morning, I have some errors to run this workflow. As you can see here, as start provisioning virtual machine and virtual machine separately, and also I have T1, T4, T6 is finished here, but actually I have some errors when I run the T1 task. So I run several times, it always gives me the T1. So, but thanks to the debugger class, which I have this class running in the virtual machine. So in the virtual machine, I also have the view log information, so I can open the log information and try to get some idea of where it's wrong. So finally, I found the class file is not correct. So that's the reason I cannot run the task one correctly. So let's do the demo part. Sorry. Okay, let's go to a test.jar. So I click the one button. So here is the key value is generated. Then we need to provision the three virtual machines. So we should wait for a while. And in this version, I didn't include all the log information, so I will polish this part, and So as debugger class is very easy to use, but you need to know what kind of method what kind of information you need to store. Maybe we need to formalize this kind of information. Yeah, that's one suggestion. And the second step is right now I have used just one package, so maybe next week I'll separate different packages and try to make it more clear. Yeah, the virtual machine is provisioning successfully, so we should follow to make sure that the virtual machine is ready to use. Then we can just move all the input file and all the work task executor jar file. Yeah, it's prepared with the note. It should be more quick. So the jar code is ready to run, and then we move the PM file, and then we run it. So as you can see here, the design is finished. So let's go to one virtual machine to see what's going on here. So here, and we have the data view log information. We have the result. As you can see here, T1, T2, T7, T4 is running in the virtual machine 1. So we only have the 4 class files. We can see. Okay. So this is what I captured from the running the T1. So this is running T1, this is running T2, running T3, running T7. So so that's it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And if you have more feedback, and it's more welcome. Thank you.